Welcome to a Psalm a Day devotional by Tori Slaughter, day 268, Unity in Identity. Reflections on Psalm 68. Praise be to the Lord, to God our Savior, who daily bears our burdens. What a promise! God doesn't occasionally step in when life feels heavy, He daily carries the weight we cannot bear. The question is, have you let Him? Too often we cling to fear, relationships, or uncertainty, trying to manage it on our own. Yet the psalm reminds us that God is not only willing, but faithful to lift those burdens every single day. The same God who carries our loads is also the mighty warrior who crushes every enemy. He is tender enough to comfort and powerful enough to conquer. What seems impossible to us is no challenge to him. The psalmist then pictures a grand procession, God leading his people in victory. Even when we feel defeated, the truth is that we march in triumph because he goes before us. Victory is not the destination, it is the reality we walk in when we follow our King. How do we respond? By lifting our voices in praise. Sing to God, you kingdoms of the earth. Sing praises to the Lord. Praise is not reserved for the breakthrough. It is the declaration that God is worthy in every season. So today, release your burdens, trust his strength, and sing his praises. You don't have to wait for victory to worship. The God who carries you has already secured it.